The photography and videography world may be on the verge of one of its most significant disruptions in recent years, and it's all thanks to DJI, a company that has already transformed aerial imaging with its innovative drones. According to numerous leaks and insider reports, DJI is preparing to launch its first full-frame mirrorless camera, a bold step that could redefine expectations for hybrid cameras. Unlike incremental updates from traditional manufacturers, this move signals DJI's serious entry into the professional imaging space. If these rumors hold true, the DJI Mirrorless Camera could compete directly with long-established names like Sony, Canon, and Nikon, challenging the dominance of these industry giants and reshaping what creators expect from a hybrid camera. The speculation around DJI's entrance into the mirrorless camera market has sent waves of excitement through the photography community. For years, full-frame mirrorless cameras have been dominated by a handful of predictable players. Sony's Alpha series and Canon's EOS R line have consistently pushed imaging technology forward, while Nikon, Panasonic, and Fujifilm have carved strong positions within their respective niches. Despite occasional leaps in performance, innovation in this space has largely been incremental rather than revolutionary. This is why DJI's rumored mirrorless camera feels different. It is not a cautious experiment or a minor upgrade. Instead, it represents a deliberate, bold strategy to bring the company's expertise in cutting-edge imaging technology to a segment historically controlled by legacy camera brands. At the core of this potential game changer is the sensor. Sources suggest that the DJI Mirrorless Camera could feature a full-frame sensor with approximately 45 megapixels, putting it in direct competition with flagship models like the Sony 7RV and Canon EOS R5. This sensor size offers a compelling balance between detail and low-light performance, making it attractive to both photographers and filmmakers. Wedding photographers, for instance, could capture every intricate detail of a scene, from the fine textures of fabrics to subtle nuances in skin tones, even in dimly lit environments. Portrait photographers would also benefit from the ability to crop images heavily without sacrificing quality, which is invaluable in professional workflows. This resolution places DJI in a sweet spot, allowing creators to achieve both highly detailed stills and versatile performance in a single system, appealing to a broad spectrum of users. But DJI's rumored innovations extend far beyond just the sensor. Drawing on years of expertise in stabilization technology honed through its drone business, the company reportedly plans to include a 4-axis in-body image stabilization IBIS system. This could be a significant leap over the conventional 5-axis systems found in most high-end mirrorless cameras, fundamentally changing the handheld shooting experience. Imagine walking through a crowded city with the camera and capturing video so stable it rivals footage shot on a professional gimbal. For photographers and filmmakers working in dynamic, real-world conditions, this level of stabilization could eliminate the need for external rigs in many situations, drastically simplifying workflows. DJI's deep experience with gimbals and flight controllers suggests that it is uniquely positioned to achieve this kind of precision, making its mirrorless camera potentially revolutionary for handheld shooting. Video capabilities are another area where DJI could disrupt the market. Rumors indicate that the DJI Mirrorless Camera will support 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, along with 10-bit ProRes RAW output. If accurate, these specifications would be extraordinary, especially considering that many established competitors still cap 4K recording at 60p or reserve professional codecs like ProRes RAW for high-end cinema cameras. By including these features in a compact, potentially affordable body, DJI could democratize professional-level video performance. Independent filmmakers, vloggers, and content creators would gain access to cinematic slow motion, rich color depth, and flexible post-production workflows without the need for expensive, bulky cinema equipment. This combination of high frame rate 4K, 10-bit color, and RAW flexibility suggests that DJI aims to blur the line between professional and enthusiast gear, empowering a new generation of creators. Design and ergonomics are also rumored to be a key focus. Early leaks hint at a box-style body reminiscent of compact cinema cameras rather than the traditional DSLR-inspired mirrorless designs. This approach could indicate DJI's understanding of the modern hybrid creator, someone who moves fluidly between stills and video. The layout reportedly includes a corner-mounted electronic viewfinder, multiple mounting points for accessories, and a modular body capable of supporting external monitors, microphones, and battery grips. Such a design would appeal to professional shooters who typically build elaborate rigs for video production. But DJI appears to be offering a system that is ready for production straight out of the box. This could be a game changer for documentary filmmakers, YouTubers, and commercial shooters who need flexibility without the extra setup time. Another strategic decision that has sparked widespread discussion is DJI's rumored choice of lens mount. Leaks suggest the company is adopting the L-mount system, which is shared by Leica, Panasonic, and Sigma. This could be one of DJI's smartest moves, as it allows immediate access to a vast and respected lens ecosystem rather than forcing users to invest in a completely new, proprietary system. Leica's renowned optics, Sigma's high-quality yet affordable Art Series lens, and Panasonic's professional glass would instantly become compatible with DJI's camera. This approach not only shortens the path to adoption for professional users but also reflects a philosophy of openness and collaboration, contrasting sharply with traditional brands that have historically relied on closed ecosystems. By embracing L-mount lenses, DJI could appeal to creators who value flexibility and interoperability, accelerating its entry into the professional mirrorless market. The rumored DJI Mirrorless Camera seems designed to push boundaries across all areas, from image quality to stabilization, video performance, and workflow integration. The full-frame 45-megapixel sensor promises exceptional detail and low-light performance, while advanced IBIS could redefine handheld shooting standards. Video capabilities like 4K 120p and 10-bit ProRes RAW suggest a camera that can handle both cinematic projects and everyday content creation with ease. Combined with a versatile L-mount lens system and a design tailored for hybrid shooting, the DJI Mirrorless Camera could offer a comprehensive solution that eliminates many traditional compromises between photography and videography. Furthermore, DJI's entry into this space could signal a broader shift in the camera industry. For years, incremental improvements and small updates have been the norm, with companies like Sony, Canon, and Nikon refining existing designs. DJI's rumored approach, by contrast, appears to embrace innovation and disruption. By leveraging its expertise in stabilization, sensor technology, and compact design, the company could redefine the expectations for a professional hybrid camera. Creators may soon find themselves with tools capable of achieving unprecedented levels of performance, combining ultra-stable handheld video, high-resolution stills, and professional-level codecs in a single, portable system. Industry insiders suggest that DJI's rumored mirrorless launch could occur in 2025, potentially aligning with major photography and film events. The combination of high-end specifications, modular design, and L-mount lens compatibility could make it a highly attractive choice for professionals seeking a compact but powerful hybrid system. Beyond the technical specifications, DJI's entry represents a philosophical shift, emphasizing openness, flexibility, and user-centric design over proprietary constraints. This approach may encourage other manufacturers to rethink their strategies, potentially sparking a new wave of innovation across the camera industry. As 2025 approaches, excitement continues to build. DJI's rumored mirrorless camera may well represent a pivotal moment in the evolution of digital imaging. It is not just a new product, it could mark the beginning of a new era, where the line between photography and cinematography blurs, and the expectations for hybrid cameras are fundamentally transformed. Creators around the world are watching closely, and if DJI delivers on its promises, the mirrorless market may never look the same again.